Good morning guys! So ngayon, nandito kami sa LRT station and it's our last day in the Philippines. And ngayon, nandito lang kami sa ospital dahil kumukuha ako ng certificate of completion of internship. And sabi ko, pindutin niya yung start button ng tube warm up. At ayun, nag-enjoy naman siya.